Hi, this is Denise Miller with Visual Faith Ministry. I wanted to do a quick flip through of my 2026 Common Book. We have this year as a theme, Sojourn with Jesus, a year in the Gospels. Last year was a year in the Psalms. We added this year this page on our Logos 365, which is a word of the year, and my word for this year is no. And so I've written out 12, and I will at least do one a month and then search other ones as well. I have an anchor verse for 2026, and then I made a video on ink, kind of like scraps. You throw them in a little box and spray a bunch of inks, and then I did a heart from that, and there's my word. Then on the first page of January, I glued in an open spaces, which is, we have a lot of different types, alcohol inks and then images and things like this. This is like peeled paint, but it matches this month's theme. And so I did a card from the leftover scraps and then scribed and wrote out some things. To bridge from the Psalms to the Gospels, we had a blog post and I printed that off. I did get to my devotional journaling, which was fun this year, and found the word, my word, know, and known, and knowledge, and all of those. Found it a lot, so that many of these are that. As for my daily reading plan, I didn't get too far, but I usually check these off once I've done something in my Bible from those, not just reading. And then we got into the commentaries and the scripture scribing. I added at the bottom some of our ephemera from our ephemera packet and then scripture scribed on top. I found an interesting article on my word, so I printed those pages off. I printed off the devotional from the Bible Journaling Ephemera kit that Carolyn wrote. And in our ephemera kit, there was also some ephemera in the ephemera kit. And so I printed that and put those on. And then my form of verse mapping that I like is the free form. And so I did some on this page and then did a word search. And then there's 4 of those. This is the second week. And then this is from our Around the Word. And then I received this from our community Bible study, so I wanted to remember that. Our community creative event, online event, we did pockets, so I put in a pocket here. We had someone do a short Devo at a community Bible study, Chrisanne, so I put that in here, and then another pocket. And then our devotional, I wanted to print off the front page as well for at least this first month. And then that is our free devotional that is on our site with a piece of artwork. And then here is another page, some pockets from our pocket community creative that we did. Scripture scribing, and this was from Around the Word. So all I did was put washi tape on the back and then glue this on top. I did a video that came out January 30th, I believe today, and it was watercolor with saran wrap or plastic wrap and how it makes little crunchy little areas which you can then turn into open spaces. I believe this is our last of the verse mapping. And then on my open page where they just have some boxes and things like that, I put in one of the examples of one of the videos I made, the birthday card I'm sending out this year. I did fill in my map, had gratitude, prayer spaces, fun artwork that I colored in. The front cover of our logos, I wanted to remember that, so I printed that off. Here's our Around the Word, and then a little bit from that onto here. Then another little pocket, and then from a Zoom event, and I wanted to remember that. I actually got a a Chinese little thing in one of those, cookies. And it said, follow the path of gratitude and blessings will flow. Or follow. So I love that because gratitude, I just did gratitude a few pages before. And then we did this, I teach a special needs adult Bible study. And so we had handed these out. So I wanted to put that in here to remember. I did adhere it to the page with all the questions and a beautiful prayer, but I could have just done a tip-in, but I did not answer the questions, even though they were very good questions, and I just put this picture here. So that brings me to the end of the month in my common book, and then, like I said, I didn't get to too many pages in my Bible. I did do my reading, added some visual faith artwork, which is all free on our site. Did add some things from our ephemera packet. Let's see if you can see it. Make sure it's in the camera. And then this is a tip-in with more things from our ephemera packet. And I always underline or what it's going to. Some more artwork from our shop. This actually is some ephemera from our Lenten ephemera packet 2026, which is Sermon on the Mount. And then some more artwork. This was from another class that I took a while back. And then my word, when I found it. Some other pages that I was studying. And then our ephemera packet, some of the verses are not just in one gospel. In other words, we're not doing chronological in that, so that jumps around. But this was something that I put on our Facebook group to do your logos word if you find it with washi tape. So let's see. We also, this was from our verses this month. This side and this side as well. See if I thought there was another one, but maybe that was it. Looks like there's something on one of these pages. It feels like it, but oh well, can't find it right now. But that's the beginning of this Bible journal in Bible journaling Bible. And I'm excited to start digging into that. So once again, common book for 2026. This is January and heading into February.